Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to display all the user listings. So for example this user, I'm going to display the listings here and I'm going to add the menu for my listings. Okay, in the VS Code here I am in the app.blade.php in the layouts, and we have a new listing here. I'm going to copy this one and add it here and say my listings, and in the row web PHP I'm going to say route get and listings. Here I'm going to add the listing controller, and the method is going to be the index method. I'm going to add the middleware auth, and the name is going to be the listings.index. Okay, it's safe. Close now this one, and here change this to be index. Okay, come here and refresh, and now we have my listings, and for now we don't have anything because in the listing controller, in the index method, we don't do anything. And I'm going to do is go to the listings and in the create new file index.blade.php. Okay, and here I'm going to say our listings is going to be listing where the user ID is auth user ID get, and the return the view listings index and compact listings. Okay, hit save. Now I'm going to go in the admin, and when we have the index for the categories, I'm going to copy all of them, close, and come here to the index and paste it here. And we have, when the change is to be my listings and new listing, and go to the listings.create, and for each listings as listing. Okay, and I'm going to display the title of the listing, the slug, the listing feature image. Okay, and here we don't have listing edit, so I'm going to leave it for now with categories, or yeah, I'm going to leave it categories, and again here listings, and hit save. Come here and refresh. Compact on the final, we have a typo here. Compact listings. And here we can say get, and in the index I'm going to remove this for now and refresh. Here we don't have any listings. Go and create new one. Okay, fake filler here. I'm going to change this to be my first listing, and change the country. Okay, choose a file, and this is for the feature image. This is going to be image 1, image 2, and image 3. Hit save. Go to the my listing now, and here is my listing. Okay friends, this is the slug, the image, and here we have the edit and delete, but we need in the web PHP to add the copy and paste, get listings, or maybe it's the better to add the resource. So wrote resource for the listings controller class, and just I'm going to say here middleware out for all of them. Hit save, come here and refresh. Everything is okay. Go to the new listings. Yeah, and now we need to fix the edit and delete in the next video. All the best friends, see you in the next one. Thank you very much.